Solpex & Co. Today, another amazing product to review. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together. Alright, another product to review. It's so cool to just kind of see all the different solar. So these ones here that they sent us are actually fence post caps. And as all of you guys know, I have actually been building a privacy fence. And so it was just in time that they reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to try these? And very cool. So look at that. They're just this sleek, clear all the way around solar panel on top there, and then just rests on there. So that will fit any size. That looks like that's kind of 3 inches around. So that should fit any size, 6 inch, 4 inch, whatever. So let's see here. There's 2 that come in the box. So I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check these out. And I'll show you these things all lit up. Awesome solar panel. Look at that. Just amazing. Looks like LED ring light all the way around inside there. And then easy mount it looks like. They did give some mounting hardware as well. Some screws and some mollies for mounting it. And then we also have the instructions inside the box. Looks like you mount it right through those plates on the bottom. There is an on and off switch on there as well. And so let's see how these bases come off of here. Looks like they just pull off. That's cool. They just lift them off. There are 2 screw holes right here. You just screw it to the top of the post with these screws that they prepared. The on and off switch there, pretty simple. So a couple of key features to point out here. So when I turn it away from the light, that's when I was getting it lighting up there on camera. That's pretty cool. So this is a 35 lumen high brightness. So that's a really cool feature. A lot stronger lumens than most you find in most solar panel. It's a monocrystalline silicone solar panel that this is, and so it's a higher quality and a stronger conversion rate than most. And as I mentioned, it can go on either a 6-inch column, which we have. We also have a 4-inch column. We'll test it on both just to make sure it looks good. Suitable for all weather as well, so which is really nice. You know, I'm going to be leaving these out over the winter, and I will do an update video on all of the Gigalumi products after they've overwintered. So that'll be really cool. Let's go get these installed outside. It is 40 degrees outside, so it's gonna be fun, but we're gonna go get these installed on 2 of our columns, as I said, the 4-inch and the 6-inch. So let's go get that done now. Simple, not going anywhere, very sturdy, and looks good on the 4-inch post. Also looks great on the 6-inch post. And I know what you're thinking, well, that's from behind the gate where the posts actually are. So let's go out and take a look at it from the other side. And there you go, just barely peeking over the top of the fence like that. It's going to be wonderful. So I will bring you back this evening and show you how these look. All right, and without further delay, check them out at night. That is just awesome. I mean, how bright are they? That's incredible. They're so bright. They look great on the 4x4 posts, and they even look huge on the 6x6 post. So it doesn't really matter which post you're going with. They really are adaptable to either one. So let's go check it out from the front, like as you're coming up the driveway. See how that looks. Awesome. So we're getting a bit of a shadow behind us. Unfortunately, my floodlights came on and I can't turn them off because the switch is buried. But you can see just coming up the driveway there, those lights look great from the outside of the fence. I think I'm gonna move that one to my other 6x6 posts so that it surrounds the gate and just kind of gives you that ambiance here. But I think they look great. Tell me your guys' opinion in the comments down below.